we are looking at what is the meaning of this word. What is the definition of the word irony? Irony is how you pronounce it. The Oxford Dictionary definition goes as the expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically for humorous or emphatic effect, aka saying the opposite of what you mean for fun or emphatic effect. A couple of examples. When it's raining, you may say, "The weather is so nice today. I'm glad I took my sunglasses with me." Irony. At a restaurant, the steak is as tender as a leather boot. Irony, of course, the steak is very hard. And that's what irony means. You may have ironic situations as well. More videos for you here to learn more interesting vocabulary. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.